Ever feel like your car is just meh? Like a loaf of white bread? Reliable, sure, but kinda bland. Well, ditch the beige and buckle up for a ride that'll electrify your senses. The all-new 2024 Honda Accord. What's up, gearheads and green warriors? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2024 Honda Accord, a car that's not just about getting you from point A to point B. It's about elevating every drive to an experience. So grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's launch into 8 reasons why the 2024 Accord is going to be your next automotive obsession. Reason 1. Reliable rocket. Let's face it, reliability is a must-have. You don't want a car that leaves you stranded on the side of the road, right? Well, the Accord boasts Honda's legendary reputation for rock-solid dependability. This isn't just a car, it's an investment, one that won't let you down. Think of it as your personal spaceship, reliable, built to last, and ready to conquer any commute, road trip, or adventure you throw its way. Think of it as your personal spaceship, reliable, built to last, and ready to conquer any commute, road trip, or adventure you throw its way. But the Accord goes beyond just reliability. The engineers have crafted a truly refined driving experience. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, thanks to advanced sound dampening materials. The suspension soaks up bumps and road imperfections with ease, delivering a smooth and comfortable ride, even on long journeys. Reason 2. Fuel sipping force. Look, gas prices are out of this world these days. But with the 2024 Accord, you can fight back against the pump. This beauty boasts impressive fuel efficiency, thanks to its advanced engine technology. More miles on every gallon means fewer trips to the gas station and more money in your pocket. That's cash you can use for that weekend getaway, or that sweet new sound system you've been eyeing. Reason 3. Performance powerhouse. Okay, fuel efficiency is great, but what if you crave a little excitement behind the wheel? The 2024 Accord surprises with its responsive handling and energetic engine. This car isn't just about practicality, it's about enjoying the drive. Take those winding coastal roads with confidence, or merge onto the highway with ease. The Accord's got the power to handle it all, making every drive feel dynamic and engaging. Reason 4. Safety Shield Supreme. Let's talk peace of mind. The 2024 Accord comes loaded with cutting-edge safety features, like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and a suite of airbags. These features act like your own personal guardian angels on the road, keeping you and your loved ones safe. So relax, focus on the journey, and let the Accord take care of the rest. These features act like your own personal guardian angels on the road, keeping you and your loved ones safe. The Honda Sensing Suite goes even further, with features like adaptive cruise control that maintains a safe distance from the car in front of you, and traffic sun recognition that alerts you to upcoming speed limits and road signs. So relax, focus on the journey, and let the Accord's advanced safety technology take care of the rest. Reason 5. Comfort Cruiser. Road trips shouldn't feel like torture chambers. That's why the 2024 Accord boasts a spacious and luxurious interior. Think plush seating, ample legroom, and a thoughtfully designed cabin that puts comfort first. Long journeys become effortless glides in this beauty. Your passengers will thank you for the upgrade, and you'll arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Reason 6. Tech territory. Let's face it, technology is king these days. The 2024 Accord doesn't disappoint, featuring a state-of-the-art infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a crystal-clear touchscreen display. Stay connected, entertained, and informed on the go. The Accord's tech keeps you plugged in and in control, making every drive a seamless and enjoyable experience. But the tech goes beyond entertainment. The Accord offers a suite of connected services, including a Wi-Fi hotspot that keeps you and your passengers connected on the go. You can also remotely start your car, lock or unlock the doors, and even check fuel levels using your smartphone. Reason 7. Spacious stowage. Who says a stylish car can't be practical? The 2024 Accord boasts a surprisingly spacious cargo area, perfect for weekend getaways, grocery hauls, or sporting equipment. Fold down the rear seats, and you've got a cavernous space that can swallow up even the bulkiest cargo. No more squeezing your stuff in or leaving things behind. The Accord lets you bring everything you need for any adventure. Pop open the trunk, and you'll be greeted by a generous cargo space that can easily handle your everyday needs. Need to haul even more stuff? The 60/40 split folding rear seats offer ultimate flexibility. Fold down one side for longer items like skis, or fold down both sides to create a cavernous space that can swallow up even the bulkiest cargo. The Accord also offers hidden storage compartments under the cargo floor, perfect for stashing away smaller items. Reason 8. Style that steals the show. Let's be honest, looks matter. And the 2024 Accord is a head-turner. Its sculpted lines, sophisticated details, and available panoramic sunroof combine for a truly stunning presence on the road. This car isn't just transportation. It's a statement. Pull up anywhere, and you'll exude confidence and style. The Accord is a ride that reflects your discerning taste and appreciation for quality. Blast off in the 2024 Accord. So, there you have it, folks. 8 reasons why the 2024 Honda Accord should be your next set of wheels. It's reliable, fuel-efficient, powerful, safe, comfortable, tech-savvy, spacious, and oh so stylish. The Accord isn't just a car. It's an experience waiting to happen. Test drive one today and discover the joy of driving redefined. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more epic car reviews. And if you have any questions about the 2024 Accord, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy driving.